How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial with Eli Dugan. Today, I'll show you how to use Excel in the context of your college search. I'm just going to show you a few simple examples. Let's say that you want to score really well on your SAT, and you want to track your progress. You may have purchased a book from the College Board that contains a number of practice tests, or you may be using your free Khan Academy account to access the tests. Either way, you want to see how you've been improving in each of the sections over time, both in the actual score you received and also in the total number of questions that you got wrong in each section. Let's say in the first practice test that you took, for the sake of simplicity, you got 30 questions right in each section. And let's say that for this test, in this curve, that translated to 570 and a 530. And actually, I'm just going to set up a quick formula that will tell me the total score. So that was an 1100 on your first practice test. Maybe in the next test you take, you improve by a lot, perhaps getting 36 questions right in each section. And maybe on this curve that gives you a 630 and a 570, which gives you a 1200 overall. And maybe then in your third practice test, you improve yet again and you get 40 questions right in each section. And let's say that this curve gives you a 690 in English and a 610 in math for a nice 1300. You can use this to keep track of how you've been doing and how much improvement you're making. So for another example, Excel makes it very easy to keep structured notes about each of the schools on your list, or even just schools you're considering. You can put down each of the schools that you're looking at, where data about each school falls into that row. This makes it easy to compare schools and figure out where you want to apply or eventually matriculate. Of course, you can use spreadsheets to track far more data than just what's shown here in size, location, scores, programs cost, and miscellaneous notes. Some examples would be the deadlines, or the supplements you have to write, or the acceptance rates, or their most popular majors, or what sports they have in which division, or how many thousand times that they've emailed you. Let Excel do whatever you need it to do. And that's it. Following these steps, you too can use Excel to help you with your college search. Happy spreadsheeting and long live the class of 2021.